How do I get to the service department? Well, Powersports East, you got two ways. You can come through the front doors down this glorious hallway, through the fancy customer lounge with extremely comfortable couch, top of the line vending machines, through the double doors to the service department. Or, if you're coming from the outside, we've got the fancy accordion doors. We've got a ramp here, so if you need aid in getting your bike or ATV on and off, we're able to do that for you. But we also have two trucks and trailers, so not only do we have the ramp, but if you need us to pick it up and drop it off, we can do it for you as well. Now, take a look at the heart of the service department. We've got some bikes here on deck that are about to get worked on, and bikes that have just come in for service. As you can see, we work on everything.